Congressman John Mica is blasting the Justice Department over how it investigated a local housing authority that's been plagued with abuse and waste.
Mica says the Attorney General is not pursuing a criminal case in Sanford involving past behavior at the Sanford Housing Authority.
West Tuesday, Dave McDaniel is live in Sanford with the congressman's blistering comments. Dave.
Well, that's right, Jim. The congressman used these boarded-up buildings and public housing as a backdrop because he suggested that if cash had not been misspent here over the years, that many more people would be living in appropriate public housing. And he says the Justice Department has failed to step in a case that he truly believes was criminal in nature.
Again, I think it's a slap in the face to the taxpayers, to others who want folks held accountable.
Congressman John Mica said a HUD audit was clear.
Referral.
Taxpayer dollars sent to the Sanford Housing Authority a number of years back were inappropriately spent on personal travel for the former executive director, unwarranted sick pay, and other unapproved expenses. HUD's Inspector General had sent a criminal referral to the Justice Department. Mica got news he didn't like one bit.
The Department of Justice had declined to prosecute. This is absolutely an outrageous situation that Eric Holder, the Attorney General, would not pursue waste, fraud, abuse, and a criminal referral by HUD.
Executive Director Angel Tua was fired in 2010 in the middle of the HUD review. We were not able to track him down now, but back then he said HUD gave him a raw deal.
Oh, I got a business from day one that was bankrupt.
Mica says that's not what the audit shows and said he'll work to achieve accountability in other ways.
If state laws have been broken, can this matter be pursued on a criminal basis?
But the money wasn't spent right. It was spent on something else.
One of the few people still living in Sanford public housing fully believes there have been abuses of the system by those in charge. And a good number of Sanford's public housing units that were considered to be in terrible shape have already been torn down. More are expected to be torn down in the very near future. Sanford hopes that at some point it can either get a grant so they can rebuild some affordable housing or maybe develop some sort of public-private partnership to also provide more affordable housing here. Reporting live in Sanford, Seminole County, Dave McDaniel, WESH 2 News.